Hey, Skillbyte here. And in this video, we're going to do a review of this Black & Decker revitalizing shower filter. So does it work? Well, yes, actually it does work. Works pretty well. Hair is definitely smoother. It's easier to comb through it. So it does remove those hard water deposits. It is also supposed to help with skin. I can't really tell you for sure on that one because I didn't have a problem to begin with. So, now the drawback is obviously you got to pay for it, but it's like 12 bucks or something like that on Amazon currently. And you do lose water pressure. They all lose water pressure because it is removing the hard water, the chemicals, the calcium and all that in your tap water. It's going to lose water pressure. They all will do it, but that's how it works. So it's compromise whether you want better quality water or whether you want the water pressure. And I will warn you, if you have a high flow head, you'll notice it the most. So here it is, after about 25 showers. Pretty dirty, and the water pressure has dropped considerably. This does come with a second filter, a replacement filter. I'll show you how to replace it. And there is a link in the description for this. So installing this was really easy. You simply unscrew the head counterclockwise, pull that off. Then you'll take this, put some Teflon tape right up here, wrap that around with Teflon tape, and screw this on. And I will warn you, don't over tighten this. It's not that strong, and it shouldn't leak. You got the Teflon tape there. Then you put the shower head back on, and I didn't use any Teflon tape there because it's plastic. So it's very simple. It's had no leaks. So to replace the filter itself, you want to hold here, then unscrew this, and it's still a little loose from when I already did it. You just unscrew it, try not to drop it. Don't lose this white gasket. Okay, make sure the bottom of your shoes are clean if you stand on the shower. All right, we got that gasket. This comes out like so. There are these little balls in there. Whoa, I knew I was going to drop them. Don't let them fall out and make a mess. The new one is capped. So what I'm going to do, pull the cap out without spilling them everywhere. Cap that end, flip it over, pull that off, put it on the new one, flip it. Great. 3 of them came out. Cap that there. Now, put it back in here. Flip it. Put your gasket back on. Now you can screw it back up into the base. Let's see if I can do this. Yes. I am not left-handed. Snug it. It's just plastic. Okay, turn that so it's gonna hopefully not make a mess. All right. Turn the water on full. And now you can see it is clean. Looks clean with the new filter. I should have did a before and after on the water pressure. It has slightly more water pressure now than it did. And that is why I changed it, because the water pressure had dropped enough where it was really hard to rinse your hair. And now this should be, that should be enough, but you can tell not a whole lot even when it's new. So be aware. So I hope that was helpful. And I'm going to tell you right up front, I'm not going to recommend the product, not because the Black & Decker one is bad. It's because all of them are going to lower your water pressure significantly. They're only going to last maybe 25 showers. So if there's 2 of you, you know, a couple weeks. So if you're wanting to buy new filters, you know, often, and you're willing to put up with the lower water pressure, go for it. It does actually help. It makes a difference on the water quality. However, for me personally, I'm probably going to use this filter and not replace it. Just remove it so that it's back to normal. You know, I'd say it's a 2.5, right in the middle. It's pick your poison. Water pressure or better quality water. All these filters, I'm sure, filter to similar degrees, and the Black & Decker one for this product is good, just whether or not you want to sacrifice the water pressure. All right, I hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, or leave a tip on my Ko-fi page. Link is in the description. And good luck with your purchasing decision.